Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook business page to your Instagram account. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to manage both platforms from one place, cross-post content seamlessly, and access unified analytics for your social media performance. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to facebook.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu. This will take you directly to your business page management area where you can control all aspects of your page. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, you'll need to access the configuration options. Look for the settings option on the left navigation menu and click on it. This is where all the important controls for your page are located, including account connections, permissions, and privacy settings. After clicking Settings, you'll be directed to your Settings and Privacy page. Now you'll need to scroll down through the various options until you find the section labeled Permissions. Within this section, look for an option called Linked Accounts and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to connect your Facebook business page to other social media platforms. On the Linked Accounts page, you'll see two default options for linking your Facebook business account to other platforms. From these presented options, click on Instagram. Before proceeding, you'll want to read through the guidelines carefully. These guidelines explain the changes that will happen to your Instagram account once it's connected to your Facebook business page. It's important to understand how this connection will affect both accounts and what new features you'll have access to. Once you've read through the guidelines and agree to the terms, and you're still ready to proceed with the connection, click on Connect Account. A small window will appear that provides additional explanation about the connection and the specific changes that will happen to both your business account and your Instagram account. This is your final confirmation step, so make sure you understand what's about to happen. When you're ready, click on Connect in this window. An Instagram login screen will appear, prompting you to enter your credentials. Simply type in your Instagram username and password to complete the connection. Once you've entered your information and confirmed, the connection will be established and you'll be able to manage both accounts from your Facebook business page. And there you have it. Your Facebook business page is now successfully connected to your Instagram account, allowing you to streamline your social media management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.